Today, we're going to uncover some hidden enemies lurking in your C drive that could be taking up valuable storage space. These are large files that you might not even know exist, and I'll show you how to find and delete them in just a few easy steps. Let's get started. First, let's take a look at what happens when your C drive is running low on space. A full C drive can slow down your computer, cause issues with updates, and make it hard to save new files. But don't worry, we can free up space by removing those unnecessary files. To find these hidden enemies, open your File Explorer and navigate to your C drive. Now let's use the search bar to locate those large files. You can enter specific search parameters to filter your results. For example, type in size, gigantic, to find files that are over 4 gigabytes. You can also try size, huge, for files that are over 1 gigabyte. Let's see what we can find. I just found a file in the C drive that's taking up too much space and doesn't need to be here. Let's go ahead and delete it. To do this, simply right-click on the file and select Delete. Now, let's search for any other massive files by typing size huge into the search bar and hitting Enter. All right, I've found 3 more unnecessary files that are eating up a lot of space. Let's delete them as well. Next, let's narrow it down a bit and search for slightly smaller files. Type in size, large, and hit Enter to see what else we can clean up. Now that we have our results, let's take a closer look. Here are some files that might not belong on your C drive. Remember, always check what the files are before deleting them to avoid removing anything important. If you see any files that you no longer need, let's delete them. Don't worry if you still see your deleted files in the window. They'll be removed once you close this window. After deleting all the unnecessary files, it's important to clear them from the recycle bin as well. As you can see, I've removed all the unnecessary files, and now the health of my C drive is much better. Regularly checking for large files can help keep your computer running smoothly and free up valuable storage space. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.